Alright, so let's set the pump aside for a minute, because I think this is why I wanted this. See, this is what I don't get about this. These tubes are going somewhere. Some kind of pressure relief, it looks like. Probably that's what this was for. This was on here. So, some kind of electromagnet. And I can see, it looks like a pressure relief valve down there. And then this drains to something that's sealed. So, I'm going to try to take the casting off next. See if we can get down to the motor and see. I'm hoping the motor is cooled with the hydraulic fluid. That would be nice, but I don't know if I see a way for it to be. So we'll find out.